In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a USB mic and headset on your PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a USB combo of a headset that includes a microphone. So all that you have to do on your PlayStation 4 is find one of the available USB ports. These are going to be located on your actual console, as you can see here, and connecting the USB mic and headset combo to your PlayStation 4 is as simple as placing the USB cable into one of these available USB ports. Now, what I would recommend for you to set up your gaming headset on your PlayStation 4 is to go over to the settings and access the sound and screen category, where one of the options is going to be audio output settings. When you go over to audio output settings, you will be able to see the primary output and other options related to the audio format. You don't really have to change these for the most part, just connecting the headset is going to be enough, but I would highly recommend checking this just to make sure that the USB port is getting priority. Afterwards, you can go back into the settings and access the devices category instead, where you can find the audio devices. Immediately upon heading into audio devices, you should see your gaming headset set as the input device and the output device. Input is going to be the microphone and output is going to be the actual headphones or how you hear the audio coming from your PlayStation 4. So all that you have to do is ensure that both of these are set up correctly. You can adjust the microphone level, control the volume, and set which specific audio goes to your headphones. It is extremely simple, and you can repeat this process with any compatible USB headset that you wish to connect to your PlayStation 4. You will always be able to set up the microphone and hear the audio without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a USB mic and headset on your PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.